What if I told you there could be apps on your Android phone right now that Google already removed from the Play Store? And the scary part? Most users would never know. But now, Google may finally be fixing one of Android's biggest hidden security problems. Because according to newly discovered Play Store code, Google is testing a feature that warns users when an installed app has been removed from the Google Play Store. And honestly, this feature is long overdue.
Right now on Android, if an app gets removed from the Play Store, it usually stays installed on your phone. Even if the developer abandoned it, it violated Google policies, or it became a security risk.
And unless you manually check the news or try reinstalling the app later, you'd probably never notice anything happened. That's the problem, because apps that no longer receive updates can become dangerous over time. No security patches, no bug fixes, no protection against new vulnerabilities.
And according to reports from Android Authority, Google is now testing a new Play Store warning system that could finally change this. The feature would reportedly alert users with a message saying, "This app was removed from Google Play and will no longer receive updates." Simple, but incredibly important.
Here's why this is a much bigger deal than it sounds. Android already has Google Play Protect, but Play Protect mainly focuses on severe threats like known malware. The problem is, not every removed app is instantly flagged as dangerous.
Some apps disappear because developers abandon them, policy violations are discovered, or suspicious activity gets detected later, and millions of users continue using those apps anyway.
In fact, cybersecurity researchers recently uncovered an ad fraud campaign involving over 450 Android apps with more than 24 million downloads. Google removed the apps from the Play Store, but they didn't magically disappear from people's phones. Users had to uninstall them manually. That's the gap Google is now trying to fix. And honestly, this feels like part of a much bigger shift happening inside Android. For years, Android focused heavily on openness and flexibility, but now Google is becoming far more aggressive about app security, developer verification, scam prevention, and user protection.
This new warning system fits perfectly into that strategy, because most people never think about whether their installed apps are still trusted or actively maintained. But maybe they should.
Now, to be fair, some users may not love this feature, because not every removed app is malicious. Some indie apps disappear for harmless reasons, and Android power users often sideload apps intentionally. So Google will need to balance security without making Android feel overly restrictive.
But overall, this could become one of the most useful silent security upgrades Android has added in years. A tiny notification that could help millions of users avoid abandoned, risky, or potentially dangerous apps hiding on their phones. So what do you think? Should Google automatically warn users about removed apps? Or should Android stay completely open? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android and AI tech updates.